So on the particular day that I made this recipe, I had some serious gakinki and grilled tilapia, and I knew I was too full for a heavy supper. And then our sweet Ajele came through with this recipe. I'm calling it the potato egg vegetable stir fry. She made it for breakfast, but I had mine for supper. So come with me and let's see how I did mine. For my ingredients, I had some potatoes, Irish potatoes. I have here some salt, some black pepper, and some shrimp seasoning. Also, I have here some eggs, sausages, sliced onions, some mixed bell peppers, and carrots. So for starters, I cooked my potatoes in some water and seasoned with salt and shrimp seasoning because I don't have the sweet Ajele spice. And then I left it to boil over for about 15 minutes. Once my potatoes were done, I went ahead to pour some sunflower oil into my frying pan and added in a little bit of butter. Then in goes my sausages, and I fried till I was okay with how brown they looked. I want to say thank you once again to our continental food captain, Sweet Ajele, for making this recipe available to all of us. So once my sausages were done, I went ahead to fry a little bit of onions. I'm not big on onions, so forgive me as to the quantity I added. And then in went my bell peppers and carrots. So I seasoned with a bit of my shrimp seasoning as well, and then stir fried this for about a minute or so. And then what went in next was my cooked potatoes. If this is your first time here, you're so welcome. Please do stay by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Once my potatoes went in, I mixed everything together beautifully and we're done with the first part. So moving on, I seasoned my eggs with some salt and black pepper, and then added some butter to my frying pan. In went the rest of my vegetables, and then I added in my eggs after stir frying my vegetables for just a few seconds. So I'm scrambling my eggs. I like them well done, so do this to how you prefer your scrambled eggs to be like. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. To be honest, I do not take your support for granted. God bless you so much. Once my eggs are scrambled beautifully, I'll go ahead and add in my sausages and mix everything up ready. So what is left now is for me to enjoy my supper in my case. Once again, thank you to Sweet Ajele for this amazing but simple recipe. Honestly, Sweet, you are an inspiration. Please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Continue sharing my content, and until I see you again, keep blooming.